and it is always difficult for you to come back, especially if you are playing a team of the Platinum. I think Melekai's absence probably could have affected us, that we haven't changed him. He has been regular in all the games that we played since the season started.
What didn't happen finally?
What didn't happen is the inability to convert our numerous chances that we had. Our opponents, I think, scored from maybe half or probably just a half chance. They managed to get 2 goals, but we had so many chances that could have made a difference. Even in the second half, we looked much better and a bit stronger, but it's unfortunate that we couldn't get the goals in terms of converting the chances that we created. Honestly, in terms of depth, if we have to balance players in terms of position, it's a bit difficult, especially when we want to make certain substitution to be offensive. We don't have enough depth, and that's why we rely on permutations. Faera was not available because of the injury. We had to bring back Godela to play as a left back. It's unfortunate also he couldn't finish because of the hamstring. We had to pull him out and bring in the youngster. Up front, maybe we only had Panda uKelvin today as a striker. Even when we thought we could push in another strike, I think we didn't have options again on the bench. So we rely on permutations, and that's why we're encouraging everybody to score goals in our team. I think I'm talking about the balancing in terms of positions up front. We are a bit limited. I think up front we cannot make a substitution maybe for a striker. When we make a substitution up front, maybe it's a permutation. We take a midfielder, we take him to the left, or we ask a midfielder to come down.
And what does the future look like?
It's going to be difficult. All we need is to focus and also see the positives from every game that we are playing. If you are a coach, even when you lose and you have a team that has created a number of chances, you know there is a small area that you need to work on, and maybe also try also a bit to get earlier into the game. I think the first goal really unsettled that. Before we even got settled, they got the second goal. I think in 10 minutes it becomes very, very difficult for you maybe to do according to what you have planned. 29 players, and for me, I believe every player that is registered with us has got the ability to play at any given time. That's why we have those players that are registered. He's a youngster. One day or another, every player will be given a chance. Today also we played a young left back from our development, and I think it was a chance for him to play. Godela could not finish the game because of the injury. All right, thank you so much.